Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. And today I'm going to be showing you guys some of the new paper squishies I made. But first I'm going to show you guys the ones that didn't have a blind box. So first we got this fake needle. I'm not a big fan of it. It's not really squishy that much. You can't really tell that there's stuffing inside. And then we got this one that I finished today. Not too bad. So first I want to show you guys the fruit blind bag. It's already open. So first of all, we've got a, I forgot what I said where it was. It's in here. Hold up. It's a common, which is 65%. It's a strawberry. And then we've got viral squishies, 2-piece, so it has 2 squishies. Now in the back it says we didn't add rarities because we didn't add rarities to this because there are 2. So first we got this butter squishy. This is the one that took me longer to make. But I'm pretty sure the money is what took me the longest to make, probably because I was making it at nighttime. And then we got a needle. I might make a dumpling. Okay, I mean, I don't know if I want to make a dumpling. It depends. I'm still thinking about how, I'm still trying to think, do I want to make the, little, box for it, or do I just want to make a dumpling straight up? You know, so yeah, so we got butter, strawberry, needle, money, and another fake needle. In fact, you guys, I prefer this one, so we're gonna just. You guys ready? This is a little bit of stuffing that was inside. Luckily my sister has a trash can right here that I didn't notice. So yeah. There's the time's almost running out, so bye.